My name is Andrew.
I'm Chris.
And this is roll that you guys just saw. It was the car we pulled it from. There was rust through the floorboard. You could literally stand inside the car while being on the floor. So it's very confusing of how all this stuff is in this good of shape. But yeah, I'll show you the body harness I installed, then I'll install the dash harness. All right, we pulled some more wiring. This is like the third time we've got a harness for my Mustang. We also got some extra goodies like battery tray, some gas caps, door harnesses, and then I got this really mint steering wheel. Yeah, so this harness is in really good shape. We pulled it out so everything was still in the same place. It even has the fuse box cover right there. Okay, so I still have to take out all of this body harness up here. You see how crappy and cut up this is? I have to take out these door harnesses. But if you look right here, this is all the body harness. It goes over. It's literally in perfect shape. So it is a convertible, was a convertible harness, so some of the wiring's a little bit different, but it should work. Everything should be the way it's supposed to be. All the taillight harnesses line up for the most part. We are missing one plug back here and then something for this ground. I'll figure out what those are for. But yeah, we'll get this thing installed and I'll talk to you later. All right, I have to interrupt the video real quick. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If you guys would like to be part of the first 1,000, comment down below. ACC 1000. Trying to hit that. I'll post a bunch more videos. I have some cool ideas in store. I'm trying to get better at editing, as you guys can see. So if you want to be a part of that first 1,000 subscribers, leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications so you can see the videos coming up. Sorry, my hair's all crazy. Need a haircut. Anyways, back to the video. Alright, so we got everything disconnected up front. Time to start pushing it through the firewall. Man, my hand is jittery. You never notice until you try not to. Move, Logan.
There you go. Where? How does that connect up there? Well, that's weird.
It's easier for it to come out, so I don't have to do this.
Just pulling them? Are you supposed to just pull them?
Yeah.
I should probably be focusing on recording, not watching myself.
You don't know how Dad got this one out.
I don't know.
Just like there's a wire. Oh, if I should pull this harness out, oh, there's a switch right there that Dad was talking about. Should be able to just pull this out now.
Do it. Be careful though, obviously. No one. Somebody else might be able to. You know?
Okay. All right, so if you look, the entire harness is all out, everything. Door harness is up to debate. I gotta figure out what all that's plugged into. Other than that, we'll see in a little bit.